We are on UCLA school campus, and I have a deck of cards, and I'm going to, without using the camera as a crutch, approach someone and basically say, oh, I'm practicing for the talent show, I need to show someone magic, as long as I'm giving them an excuse. That's my theory of why I think this is gonna work. Excuse me, do you have a moment? I'm practicing for the school like show and tell stuff, and I'm just trying to practice like my routine. Or not a routine, it's just a quick thing.
So, yep.
Awesome, here, go ahead, take a card. You're really helping me out. And I appreciate your time, thank you very much. Here, I'll take your card. Give or take a couple cards. This is about middle, right? Middle of the deck or so. Put out both your hands like this if you can, because I'm gonna do 2 steps. From the middle of the deck, make your card from the middle, jump to the top. That's step 1. Okay, step 2, this is where that's just sleight of hand.
Got it.
This is where it gets a little interesting. I'll take the jack, cover your hands like a sandwich, don't even get to it, okay? I'll take the next card down, 10 of hearts, watch. And you have the jack of diamonds.
Yeah.
You feel anything?
Do I open it? Wow, that's weird. That was bizarre. What the heck? I did not feel a thing. Wow.
Think I'll do all right in the talent show?
I think you'll do all right.
Okay,
Dang.
cool.
That was impressive.
I'm actually secretly filming something really quick. I'm filming a YouTube video. And come here. And basically I teach magic on YouTube.
You do? Okay.
And the hardest thing for aspiring magicians is to go up to people and interact with them and perform. Like, what do I say? The fear of rejection. You could have just as easily said, no, I don't have time for that. I'm waiting for someone, I'm busy.
Yeah.
What was it about? What
My friend's actually here. She should come join.
What made you feel okay, or what made you not say no? You could be, oh, I'm waiting for my friend, I don't have time, but...
You know, you looked like you knew what you were doing. And your confidence coming up. And you had a purpose. You came and you told me you had a talent show that you were practicing for.
That was a lie.
So I gathered that much.
Okay, cool.
I think,
but that's interesting you said that. It's because I gave you a reason. I said, I'm doing this because of whatever. So you felt like you... Go ahead, what you were saying about that.
Yeah, I felt your confidence and felt confident enough to listen to magic.
Awesome.
So,
Well, thank you very much. My name's Evan.
Hi, I'm Brooke.
Hi, Brooke.
Nice to meet you.
Beth, very nice to meet you
Nice to
too.
Did I
meet you.
miss a trick?
Yeah, you should.
I did a card trick.
Oh, I guess you can't.
No,
Can you do it twice in front of the same person? You could do a different trick.
no, I could do the same trick
Okay.
twice.
That means your hands free.
It's interesting you said that. I don't, because I don't normally condone doing the same trick twice to the same person, but this particular effect is very cool, and it's a lot of fun. So,
Okay.
Brooke,
Yes.
go ahead, take one that you want.
And yeah, I guess the way you were handling the cards, like I saw you.
Oh,
handling
really?
The cards and you're like playing with them.
Interesting.
I could tell you were more interested in the tricks. I like to play cards, but I can't shuffle. Nor can I flip the cards.
I just got, a little fancy shuffles here and there every now and then.
Wow. Yeah, I can't.
Here, Brooke, let me see your card. 7 of spades. Go ahead, put both your hands out like this. Here's what we're gonna do. Take the 7, cover your hands like a sandwich, and go ahead, Beth,
Yeah.
cover her hands. You can like clasp over them, they're perfect just like that. Don't let anything get to the 7 of spades, okay? Look, I'll take the next card down, Jack of spades. All I need to do is kiss it like that, watch.
Open? What?
Yeah. That's weird. Man.
Wow. Good job.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's called Disturb Reality.
Disturb Reality. Okay.
Yeah, so
Yeah, that
this
was
video will pop
disturbing.
up on there. Yeah, so whether it was like, just like you said, confidence, I don't know if it was like the way I dressed, the way I looked, the way I talked, anything.
Microphone
Well, I have to go. You are going to be on stage for a talent show.
Oh,
you know?
gotcha. No, I came up to her. The lesson I'm trying to teach is like, it doesn't matter what you say. Like, you can make
Yeah,
up
yeah.
bullshit. I could have come up to you and be like, can I show you magic because I just want to show you magic.
Yeah, yeah.
And maybe you would have said yes. So I came up to her, just trying to explain to her, a lot of people don't know what to say. I came up to her and said, oh, I'm practicing for a talent show. Could you, do you have time to see a magic trick? And because I just gave her a reason, because she felt perhaps more inclined to be like, oh yeah, if it helps you out, why not? So,
She's a very helpful person.
yeah.
She would help anyone.
You're kind, Brooke.
Not that you aren't great.
Oh, yeah.
Help you.
She's my
We're
best friend.
cousins.
Yeah,
Awesome.
cousins, best
see
friend.
it?
But we ended up at UCLA together, so now we're
Nice.
That's
So you guys are
right.
meeting up and going into plans for the weekend or
going
what?
to the
Yeah.
gym. I need to put my hair up.
Nice.
We're
What
going
day
to,
is
like,
it?
Oh wait, I
Arms
don't know.
day.
Okay.
Just arms? Just hitting
Maybe
one.
abs
Just hitting
a
one
little
body
bit.
part.
Just today.
We did legs on. When did we do legs?
On leg day.
Leg day.
On
Yeah.
legs. Thank
Yeah,
you.
Absolutely.
Wow.
All right, you guys. Well, enjoy the gym. Keep
Nice
working
to
out.
meet
Get your
you.
pre-workout in if you haven't.
you.
Make sure to drink your shake afterward.
Of course, of course.
All right, catch you. So, I think that makes for a pretty sweet video. I did the same trick twice back to back, but I did it different. At first, I did the Marlowe tilt, and then I did the switch where I just turned the double lift over and the cards switch places. But then when she said, "Can you do the same trick twice?" I just changed it up a little bit. Instead of the Marlowe tilt, I did the flipping the card over and just putting her card right on top of a double lift. And then I did a different change. Instead of just turning it over, I did the the paintbrush change. So I don't normally condone doing the same tricks twice, but that particular effect here than there is so powerful that I have two different duplicates. If I would have used the 10 of hearts back to back to show Brooke what I had just shown Beth, then Beth might have been like, that's weird, I used the 10 of hearts too. So that's why it's beneficial for situations just like that to have multiple duplicate cards. Ba-bang! Thanks for watching, you guys. Come back tomorrow for a different magic trick performed out in the streets. I'm Jarek120 of Disturb Reality. Comment and like this video. Check out my second channel for weekly vlogs, best life I ever had. Catch you tomorrow. Peace.